Picture this: a hulking Abrams tank, a behemoth of metal and firepower, rolling through a war zone, seemingly invincible. But now, a new threat lurks above something far smaller, more agile, and deadlier than expected: drones. Over the past decade, drones have transformed from reconnaissance tools into lethal battlefield predators. In Iraq, Syria, and Ukraine, guerrillas have weaponized even the smallest drones to carry out devastating attacks on armored vehicles. One infamous moment occurred in 2017 when an ISIS drone dropped a tiny explosive on an Iraqi tank, killing its commander. The tank, weighing over 70 tons, was taken down by a device lighter than a football. The real danger: these drones don't need to destroy a vehicle outright. A few ounces of explosives, delivered at the right moment, can cause chaos, crippling tanks and killing crews. Worse still, drone tech evolves rapidly. Today, autonomous drones can operate without a human pilot, rendering traditional jammers useless. And the Army's tanks and infantry vehicles? They're lagging behind in anti-drone defenses. Lawmakers are pushing for solutions. The vision? Microwave weapons or rapid-fire cannons that can wipe out multiple drones at once. But so far, no silver bullet has emerged. For now, the best defense? Tanks bulldoze the drone's base. A blunt but effective solution until technology catches up. The age of drone warfare has arrived, and the battlefield will never be the same.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.